Hey everyone, welcome back to TrueHost Academy. Today we're diving into a topic that every WordPress website owner dreams about, ranking your site on Google's first page. If you want to get your website noticed and drive more traffic, stay tuned as we break down the essential steps to boost your rankings. Let's get started. Alright, the first thing we need to focus on is on-page SEO. This includes optimizing your content and settings within your WordPress site. Let's start with some key strategies. 1. Optimize your content. Keyword research. Identify relevant keywords that your audience is searching for. Tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or SEMrush can be really helpful. Incorporate keywords. Use these keywords naturally in your post titles, headings, and throughout your content. But remember, avoid keyword stuffing. It should always read naturally. 2. Use SEO-friendly titles and meta descriptions. Craft compelling titles and meta descriptions. Use a plugin like Yoast SEO or Rank Math to easily manage these elements. Your meta description should entice users to click through to your site. 3. Install an SEO plugin. Plugins like Yoast SEO or Rank Math help you optimize your content and manage meta tags. They provide valuable insights and recommendations to improve your SEO. 4. Optimize your site speed. A fast loading site improves user experience and can positively affect your rankings. Use plugins like WP Super Cache or W3 Total Cache to improve loading times. Also, optimize images using tools like Smush or Short Pixel. 5. Track and analyze your performance. Use Google Analytics and Google Search Console to monitor your traffic and performance. Analyze which keywords and pages are performing well and adjust your strategy accordingly. 6. Build backlinks. Quality backlinks from reputable sites signal to Google that your content is valuable. Reach out to other sites for guest posts or collaborate on content to build those valuable links. 7. Keep everything updated. Ensure your WordPress core, themes, and plugins are always updated. This not only keeps your site secure, but also helps with performance and compatibility. And that's a wrap on our guide to ranking your WordPress website on Google's first page. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to improving your visibility and driving more traffic. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.